We completely disrupted the business model. Whatever a typical furniture store does, we do completely opposite. It's simple. We've cut out all the overhead. This place isn't super fancy, but the products in it are the same that you'd get at the high-end retail places, but we're selling it for a lot less. We have the highest end name brands, custom Amish furniture. We just put a whole line of custom upholstery together where you can pick out exactly what you want. We have designers bringing their clients in here now where they used to turn their nose up at us. We can do just about everything for anybody. The one thing that we do have and we do invest in is our people. We've got amazing people that'll help you out. We're a gritty company that, started with nothing against all these big fancy stores. We're really proud of what we've done here in Cleveland. I think it resonates with a lot of our customers.
East Side, West Side, South Side, or NortheastFactoryDirect.com.